This is a quick video to help with proportion and scaling questions. So here's a cooking recipe which is for 8 cupcakes, and as you can see there are the ingredients: 4 eggs, 250 grams of flour, 300 grams of butter and 350 grams of sugar. From here, let's have a little look at question 11. So it says, how many cupcakes would 900 grams of butter make? Well, if we've got 900 grams of butter, and in our recipe it says 300 grams of butter will make 8. The way I would lay that out is 300 grams is 8 cc for cupcakes, but we've got 900 grams, so what we've effectively done is times the amount of butter by 3, and a little bit like fractions where we say whatever you do to the bottom you also do to the top. It's similar here, but it's whatever you do to the left, you also do to the right. So if we times by 3, we will get 24 cupcakes, and that will be our answer for number 11. Moving on to number 12, how many eggs would Chloe need to make 32 cupcakes? Well, our recipe is for 8. If she wants to make 32, we're making 4 batches. So our 8 cupcakes turns into 32 cupcakes, which is timesing by 4. So, in the original recipe, she used 4 eggs, so we'd have to times that by 4 to get 16 eggs altogether. So that would be the answer to that particular question. Looking at 13. Chloe wants to make 20 eggs. How many grams of flour will she need? Circle the correct answer. Now here we've got a bit of a problem because it says 20 eggs, which is 2.5 lots of 8. So 2 lots of 8 would make 16, then you'd need another 4 cupcakes to make it up to 20, which is another half a batch. So we are timesing everything by 2.5. Now, if we need flour, the original amount of flour here says 250 grams. So if we have to times that by 2 lots, we would get 500 grams. And then if we add on an extra half a lot, which is 125 grams, this would make 625 grams altogether. So there is your answer for that one. Moving on to other scaling questions. These are the stinky rat bags. These are where they give you a price for a certain number of objects, and you've got to sometimes work out another amount of objects that's a bit of an awkward number. So here it says 4 t-shirts cost £36. I wish it said how much would 8 t-shirts cost, because then we could just double it, but it's not that simple. So to get from 4 to 7 t-shirts, the best way to do it is find the cost of 1 t-shirt first of all, which we do by dividing by 4, and if we do the same on the other side, we will work out that 1 t-shirt costs £9. And then from there, to work out 7 t-shirts, we'd have to times that amount by 7, and 9 times 7 would be £63. That would be our final answer. Moving on to the next question, another similar one. 5 hoodies cost £75. So I'm just going to put 5 hoodies equals 75. We've got to work out 7 hoodies, so we can't go straight from 5 to 7. Let's work out 1 hoodie first of all. To do that, we divide by 5, and 75 divided by 5, just with a quick bus stop. 5s into 7 goes 1, remainder 2. 5s into 25 goes 5. So 1 hoodie is £15. From there, to work out 7 hoodies, we would have to take this number here and times it by 7. 5 7s are 35. 1 7 is 7. Add the 3, gives you 105. So it's £105 altogether. Hope that's helped you with your proportion and scaling questions.